Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah wa barakatuh. Welcome everyone. So this is your African boys, myself Gabs Gabi from Africa, that is South Sudan. Yeah, welcome.
Mohib from Sudan.
Yeah, with my brother Mohib, all time guys. So we are back again to our lovely people, Bangladeshi people guys.
Yeah, it's been a while.
It's been a while guys, like he traveled actually, he went to Raipur. We are currently in India.
Yeah.
So he was busy with some vacation, but we are back again. And today we are going to check 10 amazing facts. 10 amazing facts about Bangladesh. So we are also so curious to learn and to know what is about Bangladesh so
And
far.
that fact, maybe we don't know that.
Maybe
fact.
we don't know about Bangladesh fact, and it will be important for us since we are reacting to Bangladesh regularly. So make sure if it is your first time here, join the family and let's go.
What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to FTD Facts. My name is Leroy Kenton, and I do hope that year 2017 is off to a great start, because let's face it, 2016 didn't really end the greatest for many people. But it's all good, because we got another video about Bangladesh. You guys wanted more facts, so here we go with part 2. So let's just start off with the facts. So you guys know that the Bangladesh flag looks like this, right? Okay, maybe some of you didn't, but whatever. But what does it all mean? So you see the red disc in the middle actually symbolizes the sun, as well as it symbolizes the sacrifice that people had to make in order to achieve independence. And the green background symbolizes the lush and fertile land of Bangladesh. Now there's two main rivers in Bangladesh. There's the Ganges River and the Brahmaputra rivers. Now these two rivers are considered holy by Hindus, but the land often floods just because of these two rivers. Now I wanted to switch things up a little bit in this episode and just talk a little bit about some of the world records that Bangladesh has. So check this. They have the world record for the most amount of people singing a national anthem at the same time. There was 254,537 people that sang the Bangladesh national anthem. This was at the National Parade Ground in Dhaka, Bangladesh on the 26th of March 2014. Now the crazy thing is that the Philippines actually tried to beat this world record. However, they had 300,000 people scheduled to do this, but only 94,000 people showed up. So yeah, Bangladesh still the reigning champions. Now, since we are on the topic of world records, guys, let me know down below in the comments, what type of world record would you want to have? Would you want to be the richest person in the world, the tallest person in the world? I don't know, but whatever it is, let me know what world records you would want down below. Now, on December 11th of 2004, there were 5 million people that joined hands together to form a human chain. And this chain went for 1,050 kilometers, which is equal to 652.4 miles. Now, this chain stretched from Teknaf to Tentulia, Bangladesh, and the participants of this wanted to express their no confidence campaign to the BNP-led alliance government and to demand fresh polls. Now, among the other world records that Bangladesh has, did you know that they hold the world record for the country that has the lowest BMI? The body mass index in Bangladesh is on average 20.5 for women and 20.4 for men. Now, more than 9 million children in Bangladesh are underweight and suffer from stunted growth. Now let's talk about some notable achievements and world records by individuals in Bangladesh. Now, the richest celebrity in Bangladesh is Shakib Khan. He's an actor and a film producer, and he has an estimated net worth of $37 million US. Shakib Khan started his movie career back in 1999, and it was in a film called Anantho Balobasha. He also owns a chain of restaurants in Bangladesh named Red Chicken. Now let's go back all the way to 1962 for this world record. There was a man by the name of Parimal Chandra Barman. He was born in 1962 in Bangladesh, which was back then called East Pakistan. He was considered to be the tallest person in the world in 1991. He stood at 8 foot 3 inches. Now sadly, he died in the same year due to a tumor in his pituitary gland, which was actually the cause of his growth. And it's unfortunate that his world record was short-lived. Now, did you know that Kabaddi is is the national sport in Bangladesh. Yeah, it is not cricket, although cricket and football are considered to be the most popular sports. But if you aren't familiar with the sport of kabaddi, I wasn't too familiar either. Basically, it's like a huge mix between cat and mouse and the game of tag. Yeah, pretty intense, right? Now, in terms of the population, about 45% of the population of Bangladesh are farmers, and agriculture provides 18% of the gross domestic product of Bangladesh. Now, the city of Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh, and it's a growing population. It has about 19 million people now, according to the latest numbers in 2016. And because of that, it's considered the most densely populated city in the world, and that's not to be confused with the most populated city in the world. Now, Dhaka has a population density of 8,229 per square kilometers, and to calculate the population density, you have to divide the population by the size of the area. So therefore, the population density equals the amount of people to land area. And the total population obviously is just the amount of people that live anywhere, period. So there you have it, guys. Those were some amazing facts about Bangladesh, the second edition. Hope you guys learned something new, and I also hope that this brought a little bit more of an appreciation to Bangladesh if you weren't too familiar with the country. There's a lot to learn, guys, so let me know down below in the comment section what sort of facts that you want us to do in another video. And if we use your suggestions like we always do, we give you shout outs. And before you guys go,
okay, something new, we learn it. Yeah,
Amazing fact.
but this video is what? 7 years ago. So it's 2016.
Yeah.
16, right?
No, in 2017.
16,
17.
17.
Yeah,
2017. Yeah, 2017. Anyway, like those are the facts about the country. Like it will still remain as history.
It should be same.
It will be the same. The time will not change.
Nationality sport, it's kabaddi.
Kabaddi,
And
yeah.
the most population.
Yeah.
Like in Dhaka, most population in the whole Asia.
Yeah, the only thing I can say that it will change like the population, because
Yeah.
I think by now the population have become even more than this.
Yeah.
And even Dhaka, I don't think it will be
The same.
as 2017 like that, because we reacted to Dhaka city, we saw how it
New
improved.
generation.
Like new generation, new improvement and the development, because Bangladesh came to known as the fastest developed country also.
They are growing so fast.
Yeah, but it's so good also to know in history that they are the only country who made the history of singing their national anthem with the largest amount, largest population of people. So it shows the love, like it shows the people love the country, because see, like in every country when there is event, people has to go there, right?
Yeah.
But for Bangladesh, it is the only country whereby people went with the highest population. So they got that record, and this is something which show the love from the people
And
to
also,
the country.
Also there are an actor, his name is
Oh, Rishi? They say this is the richest.
Drop his name in comments.
Yeah, he told us about this actor, and the tallest person also.
Yeah.
The tallest person is also from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Oh, this actor is called. Let me check it again. Let's check. Shakib Khan. Yeah, Shakib Khan. Oh,
Khan is Muslim name.
yeah. Most Bangladesh people they are Muslim.
I guess.
So today, at least I got to know a celebrity from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Someone I can say, oh, whom do you know about Bangladesh? Maybe I can say Shakib Khan. Shakib Khan. Shakib Khan. And the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, who? Sheikh Husseina. Yeah, we know that. And who else? I think
The capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka.
Yeah.
Yeah, we are doing it.
Yeah. At least few things we got to know. But tell us more, because now there is a lot of change.
Yeah.
The country has changed and
Drop your
improved.
comment down.
So tell us the new fact or something that
Changed.
something that happened and now it became history for Bangladesh.
Yeah.
The comment section is yours. Tell us. We'll be happy for that. Love from Africa. Kindly subscribe the channel.
Bye.